Hi guys, and I'm back with another lock for us to play with, and that's an American padlock. Is the series 5200. Guess it was produced on VVE. Jeff, maybe you can help me here. VVE, you can tell me when this lock was produced. I got this one from Mexico. It was a little bit cheaper because it had only one key. I've picked it a few times and cleaned a little bit the key, and it's pretty nice lock actually. Works reasonably well because I think it was on the shelf for quite a while. At least it looked like it's on the shelf for quite a while. So I'll clamp it up and I'll show you how we pick it. Another thing I wanted to show you, I'll be picking this lock actually with something new for me. This is a pick that I've made myself, my first ever pick from a windshield wiper insert. So I managed to polish it, bend it a little bit, and I'm happy to say that for my first pick I'm actually proud of what I have made. It's a little bit longer, but yeah, next time I will just cut it a little bit, or at least cut it a little bit shorter so that it will be not so bouncy. Okay, see you in a moment guys. Oh, we're back and all clamped up. Works very nice. And now I will, as I said, I will use my homemade pick that I just finished. It's quite thin one, so it's usually not for these wide keyways, but anyway, I will use it as a first test here. I did thin, the head is about, I think 0.55 or 54 millimeters. That's 0, so about 21 thousandths of an inch. And I will try it a little bit later on some tighter keyways. Anyway, let's see if I will be able to pick the American with this pick. So starting from the front, pin number 2 gave me a click already, 1 gave me a small click, 3 gave me a click, 4 gives me 5 as well. So all of them gave me 1 or 2 clicks already. Let's see, that was 2. That was 4. Oh, no, that was 3, sorry. I think I was at 1, but just leave it for the moment. That was 3. That's 2. That will probably give me something. Not sure if it was a click, but gave me something. 5, 5, 5, maybe 4. 3, 4 again, 5, 2, that was 3, I think. Yeah, it was 3. Okay, got a very deep false set while pressing 2, and moved a little bit further now that I pressed 3. So now it's number 4 that's giving a feedback, spool-like feedback, and there we go. It was open. So number 4. Good. So let me quickly get this guy, see what was inside, because to be quite honest, I don't remember. It was a while ago that I cleaned him, so I'm also in for a bit of a surprise. But in the beginning they all behaved like spools, and then at the end I got two, sorry, not spools but serrated, and then at the end I got something like a spool, the two spools. But as I said, I do not remember, to be quite honest, so it will be a surprise for me too. Okay, so the clip's out. So having the key. Now, that will be fun to reassemble. Okay, let me just dump this, the whole thing. I will not use any follower, I will immediately begin to dump out all the pins. So, as I said, number 6 is not populated. Number 5 is a... I'm not stuck, but come on, get out. So number 5 is a serrated. Number 4 is a spool. Number 3 is a serrated. 2 is also serrated. And 1 is also serrated. Okay, now let's see all the key pins. So 5 is serrated. Cool. This is a no standard pin, serrated, serrated, and number 1 is also a serrated. So I'll show the pins in just one moment. So I really felt come on camera, please be nice and focus for me. There we have it. So we have only one spool here, and above there's a standard pin, everything else is serrated pins. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching, appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao!